Hey everybody, so in today's video I will show you how to get a keyboard something like this. So you can see it texting right now, so it works 100%. And look, you could even search it up on Google, and you could even see that bam thing, that bang effect every time when you like tap on one of the letters. Sorry for background noises, but also let's show you how to do it. So first, I'll just exit it. So let's go to the App Store and go search up something called RainbowKey. So I'm just gonna wait till this pops up and search up RainbowKey, and it's gonna work. And it will show this app on the top right there. You can see I have it already, so download that and press open when you download it, and it has all those features there. So once you're done, it's gonna go to this page right here, and you could like check any keyboard, and you could even make your own keyboard using your like folders or something. But I just made my own, so I'm gonna make one right now. Just pick a background right there and just add the text I want, like black color, and then after put your text font. You could do anything you want and put your color font. So after that, you're gonna go see the effects. So look, when I tap it, it's gonna show on the keyboard that when you tap it, like I told you earlier, tap on the keyboard, it'll work. So basically a good app. And you could even do it on any app. So I'm gonna search up Safari after this. So going back to the search thing, and just type in Safari or any app you want to type or whatever, and then you could even like search up anything you want, like YouTube in a different font, and you could even put on games. So thank you for watching, and bye.